Hey guys, this is Lefant F1 and it is one of the most compact robot vacuum cleaners that I've ever had. For comparison, I tested another robot vacuum cleaner last week and I thought it was compact. However, the new Lefant robot vacuum cleaner is even smaller. Yeah, the new Lefant F1 has an ultra-slim body, but it is very powerful. The suction power is 4000 Pascal. In addition, the new robot vacuum cleaner has 600 ml dustbin, sweeping and mopping functions, Freemove 3.0 navigation technology, and 200 minutes of cleaning time. The early bird price of this robot vacuum cleaner is $164, but later it will be more expensive, up to $300. In this video we will do a full review of Lefant F1 robot vacuum cleaner, including unboxing, design, application, drop and cleaning tests. If you don't want to watch the whole video, you can use the timecodes in description. Let's get started. Lefant F1 robot vacuum cleaner has a very nice box. There is a company logo on the front side, and the main features of a vacuum cleaner on the side face, such as ultra-small body, wisdom brain, long-term battery life, super suction, etc. When you open the box, you will see quick instruction on how to use the robot vacuum cleaner, like how to place a docking station, install side brushes, charge the robot vacuum cleaner, and download the app. Inside the box we have a robot vacuum cleaner itself, docking station, power adapter, 2 pairs of side brushes and cleaning tool, magnetic stripe tape, disposable wet mop support, and 2 reusable mops. The vacuum cleaner already has a dustbin with HEPA filter installed. By the way, there is an extra HEPA filter in the package. You know, Lefant F1 is a budget robot vacuum cleaner, but it has a very good package contents, like flagship products. So, one of the main features of the new Lefant robot vacuum cleaner is compact size. The dimensions are 275 by 275 mm. The height of the body is only 65 mm. I have some other robot vacuum cleaners, and you can see that they are much bigger than the Lefant F1. The body of a vacuum cleaner has the same pattern as the box. I like this solution because you will not see the dust and dirt on the body, but it definitely will be after a few weeks of use. For example, this is how my main robot vacuum cleaner with white body looks like after a few cleanings. I don't think the dust and dirt would be so noticeable on Lefant F1. On the top of vacuum cleaner we can see power and timer buttons, as well as 3 LED indicators. There is also a dustbin at the top. To remove it, you need to lift a handle and pull it up. As I already said, a dustbin has a capacity of 600 ml. There is a pre-filter and HEPA filter inside the dustbin. By the way, I found the information in user manual that dustbin and HEPA filter cannot be washed with water. You can only clean them with a special cleaning tool. On the front of a robot vacuum cleaner we can see anti-collision sensor. Later we will check it out. The anti-fall sensors are located at the bottom. There are also 2 side brushes, 2 main wheels, and omnidirectional wheel at the bottom. As you can see, Lefant F1 robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have the main brush. You know, I haven't tested robot vacuum cleaners without the main brush yet, so I am really interested in doing a cleaning test. Before we begin the various tests, let's take a look at the app. On the main screen of the app we can see the image of robot vacuum cleaner. There is also information about last runtime and next task. We can click on whole area button to start cleaning, and recharge button to return a robot vacuum cleaner to the docking station. Swipe left from the main screen to see other functions in the app. Here we can see a cleaning route. A nice animation when robot vacuum cleaner returns to docking station. We can see on current work mode to change a cleaning mode from whole area arranged, whole area random, along edge, and spot focus. Lefant F1 robot vacuum cleaner has 4 suction power modes, such as quiet, standard, powerful, and super powerful. If you have lost the vacuum cleaner, you can press loop up button. Like the other robot vacuum cleaners, Lefant F1 has schedule cleaning and manual control. In the settings menu we can change the name of the robot, as well as anti-collision sensitivity. The manufacturer recommends using a low level of anti-collision sensitivity for uneven ground and carpet environment. The high sensitivity level is better for flat ground, ceramic tile, and wooden floor. Now I want to check anti-drop technology. I put the robot vacuum cleaner on the table and started cleaning. As you can see, it doesn't fall. Before a cleaning test, I want to measure a noise level of robot vacuum cleaner in different suction power modes. The noise level in quiet mode is 42 dB. It is about 46 dB in standard mode. The noise level in a powerful mode is 52 dB. Finally, the robot vacuum cleaner makes 56 dB of noise in the super powerful mode. Okay, now let's do a cleaning test. Here is 100 grams of garbage that will be scattered on the floor. I want to recall you that Lefant F1 doesn't have a main brush, so I am very interested in the cleaning result. The maximum suction power of the new robot vacuum cleaner is 4000 Pascal. As you can see, the robot vacuum cleaner has collected 92 grams of trash. The cleaning efficiency is 92%. After sweeping, I want to run mop cleaning. To do this, you need to install mop support and reusable or disposable wet mop. A Lefant F1 doesn't have a separate water tank, so you need to wet the mop before cleaning. By the way, the robot vacuum cleaner simultaneously sweeping and mopping the floor. Talking about battery, Lefant F1 is a compact robot vacuum cleaner, but it has a good battery capacity, 3600 mAh. The cleaning time on a single charge is up to 200 minutes, depending on suction power. Lefant F1 is a budget robot vacuum cleaner, and it doesn't have LiDAR navigation, so I was very skeptical about it. However, the new Lefant robot vacuum cleaner has Freemove 3.0 technology. In other words, the robot uses built-in infrared sensors to scan the room 360 degrees. There is no map in the app, but we can see the cleaning route of robot vacuum cleaner. Also, we cannot set restricted areas in the app, but we can use a magnetic stripe type to block the area. The suction power of Lefant F1 is very good. Even some flagship robot vacuum cleaners cannot boast the suction power of 4000 Pascal. So I think that manufacturer tried to add all the flagship features in the new robot vacuum cleaner, while reducing the price of Lefant F1 as much as possible. What do you think about this robot vacuum cleaner? Would you buy it? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.